Hey everybody, we're in the kitchen today and we're gonna make a hot dog. All right, so we've got everything we need. I've already washed my hands. Let's get started. First off, we're gonna grab our plate, our hard plate that we can wash. All right, and we're gonna grab a hot dog and put it on the plate. All right, and then we're gonna open our microwave and we're gonna put the plate in the microwave. Close. And we're gonna hit this button that says add 30 seconds. The microwave is gonna start and it's gonna cook, okay? While that's cooking, we're gonna grab our bun. And we're gonna put the bun on our paper plate. We're gonna open it. There's a little slit in the bun already. We're gonna open it and get it ready for the hot dog. You can also get your mustard out and your ketchup so it's ready to put on the hot dog when it comes out. We're gonna have a fork so that we can stab the hot dog because it's gonna be hot when it comes out of the microwave. It's beeping. We're gonna open it up. Be careful because the hot dog will be hot. Grab your plate. You're gonna stab the hot dog. Put it on the bun. Add some mustard. And your ketchup. There you go. The last step is we're gonna wash our plate and our fork. And after that, you can eat your hot dog. All right, guys.